Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, and Lawerence. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, southeastern Lawerence County in western Pennsylvania, Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, north central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Elwood City to Wexford, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source: radar. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include McCandless Town.
Okay, so this one is not for us.
Butler, Franklin Park.
This one is not for us.
Minnetonka, Katanning, Economy, Elwood City, Wexford, Homaker, Lindora, New Brighton. These storms have produced damaging wind. Move indoors and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
So this storm, guys, is in McCandless Township, which is north from us. Is that north from us, McCandless? Yeah. I mean, we still have the severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 7:15 p.m. This one. Yeah. I mean, like, we are under the one until 7:15. There's another one until 7:45. So now let's see what this storm has in store for people north of us. I think McCandless is north of us, right? Okay, McCandless is north of us. So, sorry, oh my gosh, I'm sorry my finger's in the way, sorry. So if we go to events info, and I just got a rain alert on my phone. So yeah, this is obviously north of us, because if we look at this one, this one is for like, alright, so hold on, I'm literally trying to get a new map here. So the new severe thunderstorm warning is like for like areas this way. I think Pittsburgh's here. I think McCandless is either like up here or over there. But if it was for us, it would say Pittsburgh in there. Anyways, guys, we will keep on getting updated with these storms, and I'll see you in the next video.